Ven acá.
Bunny baby, I need to get some of that juice.
Don't you think you're on enough juice already?
You sound like Bunny baby. I did the research. I know the risks. Don't be so judgmental. Wait, how did you get in here?
You always leave your door open, remember? It's like you actually want people to walk in on you.
Hard to break old habits, you know. From the look of your face, I see you've been doing your favorite thing again. Lol. Coom, check out this YouTube video. One of our happy customers did an unboxing. Man, he's happy. I like his taste in hot sauce. Good stuff. Great on tendies. With customers this happy, we'll have those tendies in no time. Since you love puppies so much, why don't you go and adopt one?
I never thought of that.
I know just the place. Let's go.
What kind of animal shelter is this?
This is my Coomer buddy Bill's house. We used to share photos of female girls with each other. Then we would.
Let's not get into that.
Bill's a very active Coomer. When he doesn't feel like cooming, he spends the rest of his time dog hoarding. Check out this one. He's a nice dog for you. Coom over here boy. I really like this boy, and I'm not even a dog person.
These seem like really nice dogs, but is this all legal?
Listen, you haven't even seen Bill's best dogs. Coom downstairs with me. He keeps the best ones in the basement. Check these ones out. Their eyes glow. Wicked, right? These are the kind of dogs you need. You know what they say about white girls and dogs, right?
No. What do they say about white girls and dogs?
Lol.
Where did that dog come from? Was he here the whole time?
Of course. He's been here the whole time. Looks like you found your dog. Let's name him Omen. Coom with us Omen. You like white girls, right?
What's with the dog joke and why does he keep flashing red?
He prefers to be called by his name, Omen. And the red flashing is super wicked. You should be happy to have a fine dog like Omen. Now I'm gonna get out of here so that you two can get to know each other better.
I'm not stupid. I know what you're insinuating. Your mind is twisted from all of the bestiality videos you used to watch. Have you ever heard of projection? Lol.
No.
She's Elizabeth Holt, and she has endured 4 failed engagements and has been out on over 200 dates, which haven't gone too well. But now she says, does she not, Ruthie, she has found the one.
She's found the one. She's planning now to marry the love of her life, and he's with her today, her golden retriever, Logan. He looks very relaxed and chilled.
Tell me about the love you have for Logan Humphrey.
If any persons here present has a bone of contention as to why they may not be joined together, I will now pause to let them speak, bark, now or forever hold their peace.
White culture doesn't exist. They can't resist. They never will admit it, but they know that it's true. It's just a thing that every white girl loves to do, yeah. White girls.
Logan. Oh. Logan, do you agree to take Elizabeth to be your partner for life? I'll take that as a yes.
He doesn't look very happy to see it.
Well, I think you better pronounce them wife and dog.